Everywhere he's looking, he has pretty views.
Exactly. All poles are good.
All
Look at
poles
this pole,
are
it's
good.
physically beautiful here.
This guy.
Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want. Everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking.
Hey Melski, and welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be all about our last day in Zakopane. Clearly, this is not Zakopane. I'm not in Poland. I am back in Australia. But the video itself is about our last day in Zakopane, which is a mountain town in Poland. We got up to a lot. So much, in fact, that the video ended up being 30 minutes long. And guys, let me tell you something. No one has time to sit and watch something for a whole half hour. So we're splitting this video in two parts. To be honest, me and Andrew really use this channel and these videos mostly to look back on our memories and adventures, and we just love documenting what we get up to. But if you actually don't mind that long format content, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm not gonna keep you up anymore. Let's have a look at what we got up to in Poland. Good morning! In Zakopane, day number 3.
I feel it's 3 because
It's
yesterday was day number...
It's our second morning in Zakopane,
Yeah.
but our third day.
I did my hair this morning.
Shocker! How will we survive a whole day out and about in nature and your hair is looking like that? Can't be seen.
I didn't wash it this morning.
What?
I know. Because actually it looks alright this morning, so I didn't wash it.
Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about.
We are hoping that there's no traffic jams on the roads, and we are heading for
Great for
Morskie.
us. There's the nuns around here, so I'm just gonna like bow at the nuns.
Andrew's loving the nuns. He's like, babe, stand there so I can fake taking a photo of you while I take a photo of the nuns.
The
I'm like,
nuns are so cute.
I think you need to educate yourself a little bit about the animals.
The bear is a large protector.
It's a what?
I was gonna say protector. The bear is a large predator, which may be.
Do not throw food. The bear might demand more.
Might demand like
But
meat.
most importantly, do not panic. Best don't hunt for people. Just walk away calmly, honey.
So what if we? Oh, this would be cute if we saw a little one.
Yeah, that's when you should run, because
Oh,
she will
no.
protect
Oh.
her cubs. But this is not the season for bear babies anyway,
Oh.
so that's fine. Horsies! So we decided, I have actually never ever taken the horse carriage route up to Morskie Oko.
We just want to do it because apparently there's a thunderstorm coming.
There's a thunderstorm later this afternoon, so we sort of want to get there as quick as possible. It's a 9-kilometer walk.
Which
up
we'll
to the
do
lake.
on the way back, yeah?
Yeah, we're walking it back. We just want to sort of get there as early as possible so we can start going back.
Oh, taxi.
Here we go. Bye bye, horsies. We sort of got our coffee to go on the way. I guess we're a little bit too Australian sometimes. Andrew's gonna start a business and have coffee carts everywhere.
You need them.
Okay.
I just thought I'd take some view of us actually in the garage.
Oh, okay. There, that's the view.
I got this here in town. They drink out of it.
Well, we have just got it off the horses.
We have. I need to pee.
I need to pee too when
There's
we
no
are...
toilets when you want them, and there's no bins when you want them.
Oh, this guy, he expects like a glamorous hiking trip. Did I not tell you that we're going hiking in the mountains? Okay, anyway, I wanted to tell you a little bit about...
There's dead trees here.
There's dead trees here, and Andrew's like, there's so many dead trees here, and I have now some information that I want to share with you regarding dead trees. Did you know that a forest, in order to be healthy, needs dead trees?
Why?
Why? Because they provide shelter and shade and small microclimates, ecosystems for all small animals that live there. So if we would remove all of them, we would actually remove species that would go extinct, because that's where they live and thrive.
Hey,
Did you know this?
did not know this.
Now you do. Check out the dead forest behind us. Or like, it's a lot of dead sort of trees
Can't see them, but
there. Yeah. Don't fall. Got horses. It's pretty, right? It's one of the most popular tourist spots in the mountains, but it's a really pretty spot.
oh my god, look at those people. They're just calling their phones.
Look who's talking. Look who's talking. And what we can see up there, that's snow still sitting on the mountains. And over there, that's where we're going next. So the saddest thing about places like these is that even if you try, you can't really capture the beauty of it through a camera. Like in real life,
So look at it, double it, triple
it's
it,
so
quadruple
pretty,
it.
and
It's
just,
even prettier than that.
like, you can't explain really, like just being here and watching it, the feeling is undescribable. You can't really capture it on camera, right? Right.
Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about.
I'm filming.
Are you? Hello! Welcome to the mountains. Actually, a very, very cute path around the lake. So,
Are they pebbles?
what do you mean pebbles?
Are they big pebbles?
These rocks that they had done in the pathway. I would not say that these are pebbles. Anyway, don't settle for coming to Morskie Oko and just checking out the lake. Walk around the lake, it's beautiful.
Again, you cannot see this view, but it's really nice. You can see that, but
You can see this view here.
that's our lunch view. Gorgeous.
Why lunch in a boring place when you can have a nice lunch spot, right?
How's that? We need to move down a little bit.
Okay, let's get some lunch happening. Show me what we got. We got a little hiking back.
We've got dark chocolate popcorn.
There you go.
We've got muesli bar, really not because I had hungry.
Someone had a
Hangry
attack.
I ate this in the bus on the way here.
Chocolate, of course.
And we got sandwiches.
And we got
I
some
need to read.
cranberry sourdough loaf with stuff. It's delicious. Bring it on, I'm hungry. Boom.
Bring it on.
Getting closer. Do, 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 do. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Good job.
Nice and slow, nice and slow.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
And continuing the little walk along the lake. Oh, they're gonna dry in no time in this sun. Seems to be like a little wishing well or a rock where people are throwing their money.
If it lands on there, maybe it's...
Your wish will, yeah, good luck, or your wish will come through.
We try.
Okay, so Andrew is giving it a go. Nice. Did you wish? Yeah? And you have another one?
You want one?
Now you do it. Wish one for, make one wish for me.
Yes, it landed.
It landed? Good job. We got some Australian and Polish money on this rock. So Andrew just threw some money into the lake of Morskie Oko, the ocean's eye, as it translates into English. This is actually, I've told you this before, Andrew, but I'm saying it again. This is the biggest lake that is highest above sea level in Europe.
In the whole of Europe.
In the whole of Europe, possibly in the world. Don't quote me on the world bit, but definitely in Europe. And now we are walking towards the highest, no, the deepest lake in Europe above sea level. And Andrew just threw some pennies, making a wish, and I know what he wished for. Well, I know what he wished for. He's not gonna say, but I know.
Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a gift to hold up high. Everyone has a weight to carry. Everyone has a soul, so let it shine.
Just look at the masses of people.
You're at the wrong place.
This is like, you need to walk away from all the people, explore the hikes. It's a little bit less people, more pleasant, more quiet. And you know, if you're walking behind the right person, it's good views too. We started ascending to the top, and that up there is waiting us. Come on, Andrew, you can do this.
This is tricky. I'll come across.
Just chilling and waiting for my man. But there he is. Just don't fall. I like giving you a challenge.
It's quite dangerous.
Yeah, it's safe. Do you see how many little children are on this trail?
Yeah, but
Holding their dad's hand. If the kids can do it, we can do it. I don't know if you paid attention, darling, but we're actually on a red trail.
I see a white trail, to be fair.
I said yesterday that I wanted to hike a red trail, and he was, when we were climbing the steepest part of the yellow trail, going up to Kacprove, he was like, if this is the yellow trail, I don't want to know what the black is. But this is actually a red trail. Yes!
That bit there, I thought I was going to die.
No, it's
I
fine.
thought I was going to die.
It's fine. Look at it.
Don't tell Mum.
Rena, please don't watch this.
Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like there's nothing in my way.
We made it. You alright?
Babe, I'm so thirsty.
Okay, so this is the thing. I tell when we walk past the waterfall around the lake, I'm like, top up our water. He forgot. And now we don't have any water.
We have. Did you drink it all?
No, we have like this much to share. That will do. And now we are
I like the crust.
at the Black Lake, just right there behind me. And
I'm
this,
fascinated with the crust.
and there's a cross there behind us with Morskie Oko in the background. Right there. Honey, good hike. Now I'm just worried going down. Descending is gonna be a nightmare. Andrew's checking out his tan. He got so sunburned just hiking yesterday.
Ooh, crispy.
Crispy. My skin is used to European sun.
Oh, it's
Or
European
actually,
sun worse.
Andrew is. No, it's not. Australian
Well,
sun.
I'm
is
half Italian.
Andrew is just so sensitive
Well,
to
I'm
sun.
full European, really, because I've got my ancestors.
Full European. Excuse me. Are you saying that I am not more European than you?
Well,
Me with my accent?
I'm more European, really.
No, you're not. No.
Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out.
Okay, It's happening, guys. The rain has...
It's raining.
It's raining. Can you see?
What's with this?
We're high up in the mountains and it's raining. And there was this crazy guy that just planned to climb the peak up there. It's like a 3-4 hour climb and he's like, I don't care, I'm prepared, I'm going. And we're like, okay, let's go down. I mean, like, we're gonna get wet no matter what, but that is why he's like, let's take our hoodies.
We've taken our hoodies on. Oh, babes, careful.
And not fall into the water.
So let's see how wet we get.
Okay, let's go down.
And see you down there. What you doing, babe?
What? I just wanted to give this tree some love. It's important to have trees. They have feelings too.
Look where we are.
We are back.
We were up there.
No, not quite up there. Up there.
Up there. Where?
Up there.
Yeah, up there.
Yeah.
And now we're back.
We made it. And
The sun is shining again.
the sun is shining again. The weather is so random, but that's lovely. Now, I really need to have a shush stop.
A shusha.
A shush stop.
And I need to have a drink stop.
Yeah.
Filled up the water bottle, so we're all happy chappies.
Yes, and I think we need a reward drink
Yes.
when we start doing our 9-kilometer walk back to where the
Oh,
bus.
babe, that sounds so long.
It is indeed. But yeah, actually very lucky with the weather, so all good.
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
I decided I needed a reward for the long walk we've done. So a beer to go. Walking beer.
What do you got, babe?
I found some of the berries that we had in England.
We have them in England.
Well, I had them. You were looking at them. I was picking them and eating them. Wild berries or summer berries, whatever you want to call them. Baby strawberries, someone referred to them.
They look like strawberries.
They look like baby strawberries. You want some?
Yeah, let's try one. We made it, we're back at
We're
the
back
station.
at the exit or entry point of the national park. So our walk down took
An hour and...
an hour and 10 minutes actually. Not too bad. 9 kilometers, boom.
Just like that.
Just like that.
It actually went quick.
Yeah, it was a pleasant walk actually.
It was good.
So yeah.
And we saw a reindeer.
No, we saw a deer.
Oh, a deer.
Reindeer has the big antlers.
Ah, we saw a deer and we called it Lena. Lena the deer. That was gorge.
Beautiful.
So what's this mountain called?
This mountain.
Well, what's this region called? What's this
This
valley?
is, well, we are in the Tatry mountains.
That one.
That's the one.
Welcome. Cheers. I like. Oh, the whole time.
What is that?
What is that? Is that my food?
You don't have anything.
Yes, I do.
Oh shit! Is that from the coffee?
It's from my coffee. All right, all good. All right, let's go to the bus.
If you don't want to miss out what we get up to next, we go back to Zakopane, and tomorrow I'll post the next video. And if you're watching this at a later date, you can probably click there or there, probably here. And that's going to be the video for the rest of the day, part 2, and also the last video from this amazing little cute mountain town. And on a final note, guys, I hope you can give us some love and smash that like button, meaning the little thumbs up thing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, would really touch me in many ways if you could.
Look at every